First go straight ahead in the street Prince Road on the right side. After turn left in the street Baker Street, go straight ahead, turn left in the Oxford Street and turn right in the 8th Street next to shopping center. This is my house. First go straight ahead in 8th Street at the corner of Oxford Street, turn right. Go straight ahead, the bank T is next to post office. Go straight ahead in Oxford Street at the corner of Queen's Avenue, turn right. At the corner of Prince Road, turn right and go straight ahead. The museum is next to Grudge. Go straight ahead in Prince Road at the corner of Queen's Avenue, turn left. Go straight ahead at the corner of Kingsway, turn left. Why straight ahead next to car park. This is restaurant. First go straight ahead Kingsway past the bridges, turn right in Queens Avenue. At the corner of Fox Street, turn right. Past the marker opposite the bank, this is the pub.